Hello, now my kids and I are hungry. We are greedy people. So now going to make a cheat sheet pizza. I start off with the bread. So I lay it on my this pan, right? That's going to be sent into the oven later. Okay, I preheat my oven. I just put the bread like that. Then I'm going to use a spoon. Okay, I'm going to use a spoon. So my cheat sheet pizza squares. So I'm going to put this Basilico tomato sauce or something, right, on the bread. Okay, if I'm a bit good luck, then I will add in the minced beef. It will taste even nicer. Means I will cook it with the minced beef first before I put it on the bread. Right, so I spread it on the bread. My cheat sheet pizza squares. Okay, my brother like it when I add in the minced beef, but tonight it's just tiring and my eyes aren't feeling too good. So I'm going to do it a very cheat sheet kind of way. Then mothers can try to do this lah. So it's kind of easy to prepare and very fun. Fun and yummy for me and my kids. Okay? See? Okay? Okay, then take my glove. So the ingredients is bread pieces, okay, cheese, and bacon bits. If you have any kind of like meat that's already cooked, you can use those. So I have some leftover bacon bits from yesterday. I'm gonna use it for this today. So don't waste the bacon bits. There's still some left. I'm gonna put the bacon bits here. Okay, sorry. So I drop. I'm gonna drop all the bacon bits on. I better use up all the bacon because I don't really want to keep the bacon until tomorrow. Okay. So this is like my cheat sheet pizza squares. Okay, so it's fairly easy to make. Just assemble them together, that's all. Okay. Okay, and see. Okay, then after that I'm gonna put the cheese on it, but before I do, I need 4 pieces of cheese. Okay, before I do, right, I need to add. I like to add some herbs to it. Okay, one of my friends recommended this, which is rather good. I'm gonna add this on. So sprinkle it lightly, okay, on the cheat sheet pizza squares. Then I'm going to layer simply the cheese on it. Okay, I cover the bread. So even children can do this. They can prepare it themselves if they are good with the oven. right? So I'm gonna make four pieces. Means my husband, me, my two girls, each one will get one slice. Which every slice I'm going to cut it down further to 4 small pieces, so it doesn't feel so heavy if you're having like, as opposed to having one big piece by yourself and feeling too greedy, right? This won't make you feel greedy. It'll make you feel like you're just having a small snack, right? Okay, so it's done, just like that. Okay, so now I'm gonna put everything into the oven. Hop into oven. Okay, that's it for time being.